Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Race and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. To change the straps on this watch, first we need to remove the old ones. To do it, grab your watch and flip it around. And on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap you have this kind of lever right here, and you need to pull it to release the strap. It's quite simple. Basically you need to grab it and pull it towards the middle of the strap like this, and then you can remove the strap like that. Same for the second one, you just pull on the lever and then remove the strap like this. And here we have our watch without straps and our straps. And once you get the new ones, you can simply put them back on by taking a strap, putting one end, the one further from the lever right here, into a hole on the watch right here. You need to basically put it in like that, then pull on the lever, align the strap, and then release the lever, and it's gonna snap into a hole on the other side, at least it should. And once it snaps in, it will lock on and it will hold. The same for the second one. Pull on the lever and release it like that. Okay, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.